Have you been out on the water one day and you lost your speedometer? Hi, I'm Steven from Longshore Boats, and today I'm going to show you a quick fix, one of the most common issues of losing your speed up to your dash. So let's come in here and take a peek. What I like to do is trim the motor up so you can actually get access to it. And the little hole here at the bottom of the gear case is called a pitot tube. Water is forced into it, so the water pressure is what's giving the reading on how fast your boat is moving over the water. And that can get clogged up very easily. So what I like to do is take a 1/16 drill bit or a paper clip, kind of insert it, and just move it around and try to free out the mud or dirt, grass. And what you're going to notice is water start to dribble out. That way you know you have it clean. But if you do insert the drill bit and it's not moving, you kind of don't want to force it because you're going to end up breaking the drill bit off and causing a lot of issues. So at that time it's probably time to bring it to the shop, where we're going to lower the lower case and clean it out a different way. But if you lose your speedometer, check right there, trim your motor up, see if that hole is clogged. It's called a pitot tube. Hope that helps.